What's up, traders? So, welcome to this video here. I just want to go through quick of what I'm always looking about in the setup every day. So, this is just to share a way forward so that you can also be able to catch up whenever I post my trades or my setups. So, as you see, I'm looking at the opening range, and that's the first thing I'm looking at. I'm also looking at previous days open interest so that I can know what to expect for the new day. Then another thing which is most important is volume profiling. I want to get my levels based into volume profile, VPOC, NPOC, Valerie high, Valerie low, the previous session. And I want to understand how we started the current session. So this is open. The current day is open. See, and there's two ways of the open also, which you have to assess. Okay, there's a session open and there's a daily open. So here I'm just going to be focusing on sessional open. So we also want to get some volumes to kind of understand when we started the session, what were we looking at? So let me just simply show you. For instance, I have one template which is just quickly designed for that. It's right here, I think. Yeah. Excuse me, guys. Pray for me so that I may not die. Okay, so as you see here, this is what I'm talking about. So let me just put it on the right side of my screen. I just want you guys to understand. This is more like futures analysis and futures trading more rather than Forex or CFDs. So I'm simply just trying to equip myself more into futures and trying to get out of CFDs. This I will explain some other time, but for now, let's just quickly look into what I'm saying. So session, and as you see here, this is the profile showing me from when the London session started. As you see here, this is a profile from London session started up to London, New York session close. And as you see here, also we have another profile for the whole day to kind of understand how the market is going. So just by doing this, simply enables you to just come into a trade and take any position based on what you're seeing at the screen at that particular time. Okay, so those are kind of the things I'm looking at. And last thing which I'm using to make my decisions is the market structure. You see, and then with an additional of some footprint charts. So this is how I approach every trading decision that I do, that you see me sharing with you guys every day in the group. You see, yeah. And that is what I do here. So this is what I'm looking at. I used to also use Bookmap, but recently I just stopped using Bookmap for a number of reasons, which they're not going to be in this video here. But as you see here, I'm using range charts, and I'm also using a minute chart. So this is what I'm doing on footprints. So I'm just going to give a quick footprint course in the coming days. Just a quick course, just like a quick recap. I've just noticed some people doing a lot of errors when it comes to footprint charts. So I'm just going to make a quick video on that in the coming days. But this is just kind of to show you guys what we've been doing. And when we send those setups, how can you also be engaging into them? So you might have your footprint charts. You're not looking at the same charts that I'm looking, but I believe the logic is the same. And all this is just to get an intraday trade. So all my setups are based on intraday perspective. And I don't hold any trades. Yeah, I can get 10 pips, 15 pips here and there, but the key is how many 10 and 15 pips can I get in a day? You see, the more setups I get, the more profitable I can be through the day. And for instance, you can just see, if you just see, this is one of the setup I shared yesterday in the group. I shared a lot of this. This was for 71 pips. We didn't get all the way there right away, but we eventually got there today. And this was a simple analysis, just the trend of the week. If we just do this, all this is the action for the week. So I simply started from Monday as usual. So everything, I just followed the track for the week. So I started with that. You see, we shifted, went to bulls, stayed above, and we see we don't wanna calm down anytime unless we see a real change of character. The trend is still bullish, but we could start to see maybe some selling pressure right around there. And you can see just in the bigger time frame all around this region. Previously, before, this was an area of accumulation, and we just accumulated for some bit and pushed through. Not necessarily, I mean that we can come back to the same region, but we can also do some accumulation here, then find that value to play it out inverted head and shoulder right around there, and you see, or maybe we'll see a long. And if it fails, well, those are key levels, which if they don't get broken, it means price will just come back to the downside. So that is just a quick overview of what I'm thinking in the coming session. So don't want to make this long, guys. Until next time, bye-bye, and happy trading, guys. Cheers.